Typhoon Yutu, or Rosita as it's known in the Philippines, is nearing landfall across Aurora and Isabela provinces in northeastern Luzon. Typhoon country out here, definitely used to these storm systems. This is a very similar track, a little bit further south, but very similar as Manghut, which impacted this area just a month ago. But this storm system, much weaker, still very dangerous nonetheless. A big threat with this is still going to be those winds. Currently, winds in that center of circulation are about 90, gusting up to 110 knots. Now, that also is taking into account that forward motion here, so the worst of the winds will be in that right front quadrant, north of that center of circulation as the storm passes on land and right over the Cagayan Valley overnight tonight in through your Tuesday morning. So really a highest of the winds right across this area here off there towards Aurora. Apari, you're also going to feel some of the impacts, and even Santa Rosa as those winds wrap around from the north. Not to mention on the west coast, you get that some of those westerly winds, but the worst of it, of course, in the northeast. Good news, that's all jungle out there, but the Cagayan Valley a little bit further inland. Some fairly rough conditions. Also, rain totals are going to be high up there, about 3 to possibly 400 millimeters. Cagayan River could be seeing some serious flooding with this, but the worst of the rain will be in some of those higher elevations towards the east and the west coast, of course, raising that threat of mudslides as well. And I think that's going to be one of the issues. If there's any deaths from this, I would presume it would be from flooding or mudslides unless people venture out over the water. Let's truly hope that does not happen. The storm system is going to continue to track off towards the west, though by Tuesday evening, rapidly improving conditions across Luzon. As it does start to recurve towards the north, rounding that high pressure off towards the north, that cold surge which has been continuing to weaken this, we're going to see it eventually steer near southeastern China as a much weaker system, actually really just getting torn apart by that cold surge as it drifts off in that direction by the end of the week. I would not expect Hong Kong, I know after Manghut you're probably worried, I wouldn't expect this to come on shore as a typhoon or even as a storm. That cold surge, that dry air that weakened it over the past 48 hours is going to even have a bigger toll on it across the South China Sea. So good news there. Biggest impact as we look ahead is going to be as this comes on shore tonight through tomorrow morning there across northeastern Luzon. Of course, in the Cagayan Valley, Manila, you can still see some tropical storm strength winds. Of course, I'll keep you guys posted as well. Stay safe out there, and as always, yeah, thanks for watching.